Hey friends, it's Simon Hurley and welcome back to another video. What's up? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Now today I'm really excited because one of my favorite tools that I saw at Creativation and one of my favorite tools that I've invested in my craft room is getting a refresh, which is really exciting. I have had my MISTI and my mini MISTI over the past couple of years and they really haven't gotten much changes because they haven't really needed it. It's been a really good product that's lasted, I think, the 5 years that I've had it and really held up over time, which is awesome. But there are a couple flaws that I've noticed as I've used it over those 5 years, and those are all getting fixed with the new MISTI 2.0. So hopefully this video will give you a closer look at the product, see what's upgraded, and see if you want to upgrade from a regular MISTI to the MISTI 2.0 or make the investment and dive into getting a MISTI. I've got to say, as a bad stamper myself, join the Bad Stampers Club, right? I use this every single day. So it has been worth every penny. Even though it looks like a really large investment, I pull these out for almost every time I stamp because it really helps you out and also gives you lots of new techniques you can do too. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so let's just jump right in with a quick comparison of looks between the MISTI and the MISTI 2.0. So first off, you're going to notice the edges here, the ruler guides. Now in the past, this was done with pieces of tape. And so you can actually remove the pieces of tape and change the color of it. So here you'll see I have my teal MISTI stamping tool because I bought this teal colored tape and replaced it on the sides, which I think is really fun. But sometimes on my mini MISTI, in fact, the little tape got kind of like water damaged here. It isn't too bad, it's nothing to really worry about, but on the new one, you won't have to worry about that. You won't have to worry about anything peeling or any tape getting damaged because this is actually etched into here. It's like molded in there, which is really awesome. It feels super sturdy, your numbers aren't going to wear off, and you're not gonna really have to worry about anything. Now the second thing you'll notice about the MISTI versus the MISTI 2.0, and I'm not sure if you can really see it here, but the hinges have changed and been really upgraded. I have to say, in the 5 years of using it, the hinges is really the thing that kind of wore down in this more than anything else. The hinges is what kind of gave way, and that is all changed with the MISTI 2.0. So with the 2.0, you'll see that it has metal inside of the hinges there. Right, so there's metal in there, and what that's going to do is it's just going to make it a little bit sturdy and make your hinges really last over time. One of the problems is not the hinges that I've had break, but it's just the fact that since these hinges are made out of plastic, they kind of tend to move a little bit more and wiggle, whereas I think this is going to hold it in place more and really last the test of time since they're made with metal on the inside of them. And the sturdiness of the hinges really shows here. You can literally leave it kind of hanging at any position because of how sturdy that lid is. The hinges have a much stronger hold, whereas with this MISTI, I would kind of fling it back and forth. There is no keeping that thing up. So these hinges definitely do wear out over time. So in the past, you might get kind of an uneven image every once in a while after a couple of years with this MISTI because the hinges kind of wear out. And I'm really excited to have these sturdier hinges on this one. Another thing about this that I think is kind of cool is your magnet has a little home, a little garage on the side, which is really fun. So you're able to place your magnet there when you're not using it, which really frees up any open space in your MISTI. And when you want to use your magnet, you can pull it out and place it on your tool and start working with it. In the past, in one of my videos, I've actually added a piece of tape on my MISTI right here to create a little bit of a handle because I know in the past, sometimes this lid has been hard to lift up for some people since it is flush against the side of your MISTI. So it does make it a little bit difficult to pick up and really easily open and close. So with the new MISTI 2.0, this actually has, number one, it has a little bit of a kind of indented handle here, which is really easy to pick up, but actually this goes over the edge of the actual MISTI tool. So there is no difficulty picking this one up. It is really super easy to open and close that lid, and it really gives a much easier feel to it. Another thing I noticed is I think the acrylic is a little bit stronger on the lid, a little bit thicker. It also has rounded edges here, so you don't have to worry about poking yourself. And overall, the acrylic is a little bit smoother as you go through. So So you don't have to worry about any sharpness of it, which I think is really helpful. One thing I noticed, even when just looking at the side of this thing, is it's really well built. It's all one solid piece of plastic, which is just really awesome. You can see the craftsmanship in this MISTI 2.0 is really well thought out, which I love. And like I said, if this one has lasted me and held up over 5 years really well, this one is definitely going to withstand that, and I think even outlive the quality of this one, just because of the several upgrades that they made and the pieces that I thought did need a little bit of an upgrade. All right, so there was my quick look and overview at the new features and quality updates with the MISTI 2.0. Ileana, the owner of My Sweet Petunia, had gifted me the MISTI 2.0 at Creativation because I was so excited about it. I was excited to walk home and play with it, and then I was kind of sad because I couldn't show it to all of you guys right then. But I'm really excited for you guys to get your hands on this and feel the quality also. It really is a nice upgraded version. Now it's up to you guys from here. Of course, if you had one of the past MISTIs and you want to upgrade, I think you'll definitely enjoy it and really feel the quality difference in the hinges, handles, and acrylic on this one. You can really feel the big change of quality. But if you're new to the MISTI family, I would definitely recommend getting one of these. It really is just a helpful tool to have in your craft room, especially if you struggle at stamping like me, or you want to use some of the tools that are made to work inside of the MISTI. I'm not sure if they're going to come out with smaller MISTIs of the new version as well, but a lot of people ask me, should you purchase a mini MISTI or a larger MISTI? I like to use the mini MISTI on my desk, but if I'm being honest, the bigger one has more features because you can use things like the wreath builder and turnabout stamps in it. So that's something you want to take into consideration if you want to use stuff like that, or 6x6 background stamps in the tool. You're definitely going to want to go for the mid-size MISTI instead of the mini or instead of the super large one. This is the great size. Alright guys, leave me your comments and thoughts down below. I would love to chat with you all down there. Give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you enjoyed it, and ring that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you never miss a card making and crafting video. I'll see you guys very, very soon for another card making video. Bye!